morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for tuning in again. We are just currently on our way to work as usual, as you guys could already figure out by the other ones. You know the deal. We're just cruising, doing a steady 54 miles an hour. Oh man, it feels so good out today. And apparently now it's gonna rain tomorrow, so no more raining Saturday. I guess switch days down to Friday. We'll see what happens. And then I was hoping I could switch over to the street tires this weekend, but I don't know if I'll have time. I'm gonna need to take it to a shop, or take the wheels to a shop to get them swapped out, because I don't know. I don't have the tools at home to do it myself. Good morning, UCI. Another swell day. You know, it's honestly pretty convenient how close I am to UCI. If only I went there. I live like a mile and a half away, probably. Excuse me, excuse me. Good morning, excuse me, thank you. Peace. Oh my god. It is kind of sprinkling right now. Just about need to clean my visor. Let's hope this doesn't continue, because I'm on the Grom. I'm not riding in the rain. I refuse to ride in the rain, especially on dirt tires. About to be doing a little bit of drift action. Dun, 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 dun. I had a little bit more time so I can go get some Starbucks. Starbucks, baby, come back to me. Baby, come back. I need a Starbucks drink. I need an espresso shot. It would help me out. It would make me feel good. Oh, baby Starbucks, why don't you love me? Ah, man, every red light. Ah, there was something on the GoPro I wanted to switch settings for, but I don't remember what it was. It's gonna bother me because I remember I watched a YouTube video yesterday and I was like, ah, that makes sense, I should do that. What was it though? I feel like I had to do with the hyper smooth or something. What was it? I don't know. I'll remember it randomly one day, probably when I'm going to the bathroom. I'm like, ah, that was it. That was it. Okay. Well, for now, we're just going to keep doing our thing. Oh. Oh, I think it was, I saw someone, oh, that's what it was. It was the FPS. I saw someone go down to, they said they liked 30 FPS more than 60. 60 gave it more cinematic feel, but 30 FPS made it seem like you were going faster. So, I don't know, do you guys think I should switch over to 30 FPS and try it? Because, in all honesty, the cinematic feel, I guess, it's cool, but I feel like because the Grom is relatively slower, I'd rather look like I'm going faster on YouTube. Or not look like I'm going faster, I mean, it would just, the camera would just make it look faster in general. Make it look more like the speed I'm actually going. But if you guys think that going 30 FPS I should at least try, give me your thoughts in the comments, because I'm kind of curious. Maybe when I get up to you know, an S1000 when I'm going faster, then I can switch over to 60 FPS. But for now, it's up in the air. I just saw someone recommend it on YouTube and I was like, ah, maybe I'll try that, maybe I'll try that. Right now I'm at 2.7 60 FPS. And then I was going to export it up to a 4K for YouTube, but honestly, I don't feel like waiting an extra 45 minutes or whatever it is that my computer is going to take to do 4K. Right, I can just switch over to 2.7 and export it that way and get it done in about like 30 minutes, if not a little bit less, I forget. Every two lights I hit, every two. E-tron, I really like those cars. The Audi e-tron and the Porsche Taycan are both really good looking electric cars, and I would happily take either one of them. every 2 lights. Whoa. Finally made this light without it going red. First time for everything.